So this is for Recitation 13, and today I want to go over the recitation project altogether with you. So this one will count as an assignment, but it's not a test, but it will be graded. So I want to go through this one with you altogether, so we could have a basic understanding. So basically, we're going to create Excel like this. So basically you can see there's a two worksheet down there. So but the first thing we need to do is we need to finish the grades part. So basically it's pretty easy. So if you can see on the screen that basically this one will do the work for calculate the grade for this semester, and say it's from assignment 1 to assignment 11, and there is exam 1, exam 2, and the extra credits and TA extra credits, and this recitation project, and 3 final exam part 1, part 2, part 3. So basically what we need to do is that we just input our grade, each of them, on the D column, and for the E column, this is a total grade. So basically, if I got 18 on my assignment 2, and this is 18 out of 20, okay? And basically, you just input this number in the cell address and just add them together, okay? So basically, this part is just input the number into the cells. And for the thing right here, for these totals, we need to do the calculation. So we need to use the sum if. It's from D3 to D21. And if the number is greater than 0, we need to count it. And for the second if and third if, we need to apply the second chance policy to see if we use the 2 times D19. If it is greater than D14, we use the second chance policy. And the same logic for this one, for this D20 times 2, if it's greater than D15, we use the second chance policy. And yeah, this is a total, and this is for this example, it's 380 out of 442. And for the performance, for the percentage, we use the D28 divided by the E28, and to get this percentage number. And for the last one, the letter grade, we use the VLOOKUP. I mean, if you don't remember the format, the 4 parameters for VLOOKUP, you could go back to look at the recitation slides last week. So basically, we need to look at the D29, and the table is G3 to H9. It's right here. With this 2 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows table. And we check the number, check the D29 in this table, and we output the second column. We output the letter grade. So this is why we put the 2 right here. Okay. And this is this page. And for the last thing, if you want to output this scenario summary, we need to use this this what if analysis. So if you go to the data tab and we go to the right, and there is a what if analysis. Okay, so we click on it, and there's the scenario manager. You can see actually I already put 3 scenarios. Right here you can see 1, 2, 3. So basically for each scenario, I just randomly put some number to each of them, and I got a different result in my result cells. So I could put a new one right here. Maybe I put a 4, And the change in cells is from D19 to D21. D19 right here, D21. Okay. And you could modify the number right here. So for this example, I put all of the three. I put 32, 32, 30. I put 332 for this 3 cells and click OK. And I just summary and click select the scenario summary instead of the pivot table report and just click OK. And the result out is a D30. And just click OK. See, this is my second scenario summary. This is summary 2, and this is my first one. This is my second one. You see, this column is I just added. This is a new one, and this 3 is the old one. Okay. So yeah, we need to actually output like 2 worksheets, and if you finish, I think this is pretty much for this assignment. Yeah. And for this blank part, if you didn't get a grade yet, you could just leave it empty, or you could come up with a random number, whatever you like. You just put it right here. It's not that strict, because you could, I mean, it's just the assignment is not a test or something. So you could basically just leave it empty, or you could just come up with a random number, just put them into this cell address, and it's gonna be okay. And for the formula right here, I just want to show you again, just in case you didn't get it. So for the D column, we just use the SUMIF to get the data from area D3 to D21. If it is greater than 0, we just sum the data. And this 2 ifs is be applied for the second chance policy. So this is for D, and for the E, we just simply use the SUMIF in the area from E3 to E21, and yeah, just one. I mean, just one sentence. There's no plus after it. Okay, so I hope you get it. Okay, this 2 formulas for the totals, and the color for today is pink. Okay, it's pink. Okay, I hope you could get this down very soon, because I think it's pretty easy. Okay, it is not a test, it's just an assignment, and it's pretty easy. Okay, alright, thank you.